Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to talk about the ISO 28001 certification process, how organizations can get certified for supply chain security management. If you are wondering what steps are involved and what you need to do, you are in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand ISO 28001 first. It's important to get familiar with what ISO 28001 is all about. This standard is designed to help organizations manage and secure their supply chains from risks like theft, terrorism, or smuggling. Before diving into certification, you should have a clear understanding of its requirements, how it applies to your business, and the security measures you need to implement. Step 2. Conduct a gap analysis. Once you know what ISO 28001 is all about, the next step is to perform a gap analysis. Now, don't let the term gap analysis scare you. It's simply an evaluation of where you currently stand compared to the ISO 28001 requirements. This helps you identify what areas of your supply chain security need improvement. You might need to review things like security policies, risk management processes, employee training programs, supplier relationships. This analysis will show you what's missing or what needs adjustment before you go for the certification. Step 3 is develop and implement the system. Now that you have identified the gaps, it's time to develop and implement the necessary security management systems. This is where you all put together all the procedures and policies that align with ISO 28001 requirements. You'll need to update or create new security protocols, provide training to your team, set up monitoring systems to track risks, ensure legal and regulatory compliance across your supply chain. This step might take some time, but it's crucial to have a solid system in place before you move forward. Step 4. Conduct internal audits. Before you apply for certification, you should conduct internal audit. These are like practice runs for the real certification audit. You'll want to check whether your supply chain security processes are being followed, if there are any weaknesses or areas where you still need improvement. If your documentation is in order, if the internal audit finds any issues, don't panic. It's better to discover them now so you can address them before the certification audit. Choose a certification body. Once you feel confident that your systems are aligned with ISO 28001, the next step is to choose an accredited certification body. These are external auditors who will come in to evaluate your system. Make sure to select a certification body that is reputable and accredited by recognized organizations. Step 6 is certification audit. This is the big movement, the certification audit. The external auditors will visit your organization and review your entire supply chain security management system. They will interview your staff, review your documentation, assess your security practices, inspect your risk management processes. The auditors are there to ensure you meet all the ISO 28001 requirements. Don't worry, if you have done your preparation well, you should be in good shape. Step 7. Receive the certification. If everything goes well during the audit, congratulations, you'll receive your ISO 28001 certification. This means your organization has been officially recognized for having an effective supply chain security management system in place. You can now proudly display your certificate to demonstrate your commitment to securing your supply chain. Step 8. Continuous improvement and surveillance audits. The certification doesn't mean your job is done forever. To maintain your ISO 28001 certification, you'll need to undergo surveillance audits. These typically happen every 12 months and ensure that you are continuing to follow the standards requirements. Also, remember, the idea of continuous improvement is essential to keep refining your security processes. The business environment is always changing, and so are supply chain risks. So, keep reviewing and improving your systems to stay ahead of potential threats. So that's the ISO 28001 certification process in a nutshell. It might seem like a lot of work, But by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving certification and securing your supply chain. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Stay safe. Thank you.